NavSuite is a fully integrated ecosystem designed to optimize the planning, supervision, and management of rail transport. It streamlines complex logistical processes, from scheduling commodity transport to managing locomotive maintenance, shift planning for train drivers, and providing real-time navigation support. NavSuite aims to enhance the safety, efficiency, and reliability of rail transport operations through a seamless interplay of advanced digital tools. Everything begins at the client center. The dispatcher places a request for the transport of goods. The staff member simply creates the order directly in the Transport Planner application. This application helps select an appropriate locomotive and driver, utilizing data from the Evidence of Eligibility EVP system to ensure they are authorized to drive on the specified route. The driver is then informed of their shift in the Digital Driver's Workspace DPS application. Before the journey begins, the driver can use the NavSim app to check the current status of their route. During the journey, the driver is assisted by the NavTrain app, integrated with the NavCom unit, which provides navigation and ensures driving efficiency. In case of critical situations, NavAlarm is there to help prevent railway accidents. Data from the journey is continuously sent to the Nav data system. And what if there's a problem? The dispatcher, through the Transport Planner, selects an appropriate replacement locomotive and quickly records any service requirements. This allows operations to resume as quickly as possible, ensuring the goods arrive on time. Nav data also notifies service technicians of repair needs. The locomotive can then return to operation as quickly as possible. The goods are successfully delivered to the destination. Both the client and the dispatcher are informed of the delivery via the Transport Planner application. Each journey is also thoroughly recorded in the DPS and EVP systems. All information is securely stored and ready for further analysis. The advantages of the NavSuite system lie in its comprehensive integration of planning, navigation, maintenance, and safety within a single ecosystem. It offers efficiency and cost savings through optimized planning and predictive maintenance, which minimize downtime and operational expenses. Its modular flexibility allows each application to function independently or together, maximizing efficiency and productivity. NavSuite is a family of products for efficient and safe rail journeys. The Transport Planner is a web application that enables efficient planning of freight transports. The Digital Driver's Workspace is a space for drivers to manage their daily activities. NavSim is an application that helps drivers prepare for trips in advance. NavTrain is a mobile app guiding the driver throughout the entire journey. NavCom is a unit that provides accurate location tracking to improve driving comfort and can assist with safety. NavAlarm is software that assesses track situations to help prevent accidents. NavData is an application for locomotive maintenance, offering easy entry and tracking of service intervals. And finally, the Evidence of Eligibility tracks and ensures the qualifications of drivers and locomotives for specific routes,